Hello, in this video presentation we are going to talk about the following topics. What is copyright? What are licenses? What are open source licenses? Why choose an open source license? What are MIT licenses? What are GPL licenses? And how to choose the right open source license.
Copyright is a legal right existing in many countries that grants the creator of an original work exclusive rights to determine whether and under what conditions this original work may be used by others. For example, if you write a software, you have copyright on it. So that means that you, as a copyright owner, have the right to distribute copies of it. You define its use and create improvements on it, and others that buy or get your software have not the right to do so. This includes also this video that you are watching, and we, as authors, have copyright on it.
Hey everybody! Okay, you're here on the YouTube copyright page. So, if you're watching this, probably you're having problems with your video getting taken down, or you think someone else uploaded your video.
Papa, stop the video!
Mario, we can't stop. YouTube hired us to make this video.
But video is being stolen and re-uploaded right now!
License is an official permission or permit to do, use, or own something. A license can be granted by a party to another party as an element of an agreement between those parties. But what permissions does a particular license give to us? That depends on the type of license that you have been granted.
Hold on a second, Linus. I don't agree to their terms. I just want to use the software I paid for. It's mine. Well, not exactly. When you buy a copy of a piece of software, you are not actually paying for the software. You're only paying for a license to use it.
There are many software licenses out there, for example, the MIT license, GPL, Apache, MPL, and the BSD license.
Even though nearly all open source software is free software, that doesn't necessarily mean that open source equals free. There are exceptions. For example, OpenWhatCom is non-free because its license does not allow making a modified version and using it privately. Two of the most common used open source licenses are the MIT license and GPL license. As can be seen from the graph, GPL and MIT are the most used.
The MIT license is a permissive software license that originates at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. It is extremely short and essentially says, do whatever you want with this, just don't sue me. There's absolutely no restrictions on commercial use in there. The only requirement is that you must include the MIT copyright notice with any copies of the software. So in effect, to use it, if you use any open source which already is bound by MIT license and you want to redistribute it, you must include the MIT license in all distributable copies. The MIT license was first written for the X Windows system. The MIT license is in general more liberal than the GPL license. Some of the softwares that use the MIT license are Expat, Putty, Mono, Ruby on Rails, Twisted, and Lua.
GPL is a free license software that is used across the world. GPL allows users to study, run, share, and modify the software. This license was originally written by Richard Stallman from the Free Software Foundation for the GNU project. It is a copyleft license, which means it allows users to freely distribute copies of modified work, preserving the same rights but in the end maintains original copyright conditions. There are hundreds of software that use GPL. Some of them are Linux kernel, CodeLite, CryptoCat, WordPress, MariaDB, and MySQL.
How to choose the right open source license? Just remember that in today's world where legal and privacy policies are taken very seriously, license and copyrights aren't something simple and easy to understand. To choose the right open source license, you need to take into consideration: are there any restrictions? Are there any community practices? And what do we want as outcomes?
We hope you will find this video useful. Thank you for watching.